Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Claudio. So glad that you're here. If you are a first-time visitor, thanks so much for stopping by. If you're returning, thank you as well. Today I'm going to share with you how you can add text behind a video like this right here using Adobe Express. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Here I am at the home screen of Adobe Express, and I'm going to start by heading over to the video option here because we're going to create a video, and I'm going to show you something really cool that you can do in Adobe Express. Is I'm going to drag the file here to where it says start from and just drop it in here, and you'll see a little preview happening here, and I will choose to create new video, and I'm going to select Instagram Resize, and then it opens up right into my project window, to my editor here. So the first thing I'm going to do here for this demo is I'm going to actually mute the audio so we don't have double audio happening in this video. I'm going to show layer timing here, and I will start by making an adjustment to my video. I'm going to try to center myself, and I'm actually going to take advantage of all this space above my head here. Just going to resize it just a tad bit more so I'm centered right about there. And then here's the next step. We're going to take this project and we are going to duplicate it. So up here on the menu options to video, we'll choose to duplicate this. And here's a tip. We want to make sure that this is aligned. And I like doing this right now at the start before I do anything else. And I will select all of them, either Command A or click and drag everything. Since there's only these two objects or assets on the page, I'm going to go ahead and align them. Choose middle, center. So now it's centered as far as both objects. And I'm going to fine tune here and just go ahead and select all. So make sure they're all selected here, and adjust it like that. And one thing that I can do here just to make sure is I'll click on the top layer. Here's a quick tip. Take the opacity all the way down and you're going to see the object or the layer below. We're going to bring that opacity back up. So here's the next step. We're going to go ahead and click out here to make sure that we don't have anything selected, and then come back over and click on the top layer. Also, you can look over here on the top right, make sure that you are selecting the top layer, and we're going to go to remove background. And this will remove the background of the actual video file or video layer that I have here. Now, the tricky thing here is because I duplicated this, when it's finished, it doesn't look like it removed it because, again, I have the same duplicates showing up here. So we're going to let Adobe Express take its time to remove the background, and then we'll proceed to the next step. Okay, now it has removed the background, and here's some indicators. First off, you'll see right here where it says restore background, that'll show you. But also, just FYI, you can do this. We'll click the bottom layer and take the opacity all the way down. So there, we can see that that top layer has everything removed. So now the next step is we're going to add text to our object here, or to our project. So we're going to go to the text menu here and select add your text, and I've already got some text here. It says text behind video effect. We're just going to go ahead and use that. I'm going to select my favorite font. I'm going to change the color to white so that it's more visible, and then I will choose the dynamic text layout. This will allow me to adjust the text and do something like that right there. Really make it noticeable, and I will take the line spacing down. And let's go ahead and move the text so it's actually behind me. And actually, we may do it one more time here. Let's go ahead and actually let's do it about right there. So it's basically covering my face. And to have a little more fun with this, why don't we do this? Let's go ahead and let's take all of this text, and we're going to copy and paste in here. So we're going to have like text behind. Here we go, text behind. Text effect here. Let's go ahead and adjust that. Let's bring that now. See how, so we have kind of a duplicate here. So text behind video effect, text behind video effect. There we go. All right, let's adjust it. So it's basically covering my face, and that's by design here. We're going to go ahead now and we'll take and animate this text. So let's go ahead and choose an in. We're going to have it grow. So it's going to grow from the back, and then we're going to loop this, and let's have it jitter so that way we can see that it's happening. So I'll go ahead and click play. So we see that the text is actually showing up and having some action. Perfect. Okay, so we're just about done here. Our next step is let's go ahead and move the playhead forward. There we go. And here's the trick. So now that I've already got the background removed, we're going to grab that layer and just bring it down here. And bingo, look at that. We're going to hit the playhead to the beginning here, and let's hit play. And there we go. It's playing behind me, just as easy as that. And that's how to add text behind a cutout video using Adobe Express. So now it's your turn to give it a try. If you have any comments or questions about this video, feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, click the bell to be notified for future videos, and please do share this video with your friends. Thanks again for stopping by and watching this video. And as always, be good to one another and have fun creating. Peace.